So today we're cooking my version of pork adobo. So here is our ingredients. I am using pork shoulder today. So here is our ingredients: vinegar, soy sauce, pepper, garlic, onion, bay leaf. You can use light soy sauce if you don't have Filipino soy sauce, but I only use silver swan when I cook Filipino adobo. So in here, we're just gonna mix this soy sauce, which is 1/3 of a cup, and then vinegar, 1/4 of a cup, and then pepper, onion, chopped garlic, and then we're just gonna mix it and then leave it for 2 minutes, or you can just cook it straight away. So here it is. Our pork adobo has been boiling for 20 minutes. So after 40 minutes, our pork adobo is now tender. So we're just gonna put the bay leaf and then we're gonna fry it. So now we're gonna stir fry our pork adobo. We just took it out of the sauce to stir fry it, and then we're just gonna put it back after probably 10 minutes of frying. So after 10 minutes, we put it back to the sauce, and now we're gonna fry it again, but this time with garlic. So we're just gonna turn the garlic until it turns into golden brown, and then when it's golden brown, we can put the pork adobo back in here. Tapos, ihalo lang natin siya kasi wala na siya ng sauce. So, we want this one kasi adobong naglalatik or adobong tuyo. And here it is, my Filipino version of double stir fry pork adobo. Thanks for watching.